Good morning, all. Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are having exploring one equation from Hong Kong Max Olympiad 2012. The question is, if x cube minus 3 root 2 x square plus 6x minus 2 root 2 minus x equal to 0, find the value of x power 5 minus 41 x square plus 2012. So it is given in 2012. So we are going to solve this problem. So before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it out. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you, Amma. So here, first of all, what is given? So given x cube minus 3 root 2 x square plus 6x minus 2 root 2 2 root 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now if you observe this problem, so here cube is there. So here we can apply the formula a cube minus b cube formula. So here some terms are extra. What we'll do, we'll send that term to another side. See here x cube minus 3 root 2 x plus 6x minus 2 root 2 is equal to 8. Here the value x cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So here what will get here now? X minus root 2 whole cube is equal to 2 cube. 8 can be written as a 2 cube. So x minus root 2 will be 2. So here you get the x value 2 plus root 2. X value 2 plus root 2. So here if you do squaring on both sides, what will get? Otherwise you can take the x value 2 plus 2 root 2, 2 plus root 2. Now here you have to find the value of x to the power of 5 minus 41 x square plus 2012 value. So here you can do this in two ways. So here first I will do the substitution method. So here what we'll do first, 2 root 2, 2 plus root 2 whole to the power of 5 minus 41 into 2 plus root 2 whole square plus 2012. What will get the value? We'll see now. Now we are doing a substitution. So 2 plus root 2 whole to the power of 5. Here you will write the formula a plus b whole power 5 formula. So here you will get 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 are the quotients. So here what will get now? 2 to the power of 5 plus 5 into 2 power 4 root 2 plus 10 into 2 cube root 2 whole square plus 10 into 2 square into root 2 whole cube plus 5 into 2 into root 2 whole power 4 plus root 2 whole to the power of 5. Okay, now minus 41 into 2 plus root 2 whole square 4 a square plus 2ab plus b square minus plus 2012. So this is by using expanded form we are getting like this. 2 to the power of 5 is 32 plus 80 root 2 plus 160 plus 80 root 2 plus 40 plus 4 root 2 will get out. Minus 41 into 4 164 minus 164 root 2 minus 82 plus 2012. Now if you solve this you'll get the answer. So here 80 root 2 80 root 2 4 root 2 total 164 root 2. Next year what will get this total is 232. Adding all the positive values, this one and this one, 232 minus negative values 246. This is negative and this is negative. 246 plus 2012. So here what will get minus 4 plus 2012. We are getting 1998. So the value of x to the power of 5 minus 41x square plus 2012 is equal to 1998. Okay, this is first model. We can do in another model also. So here from this step x is equal to 2 plus root 2. So here you'll get x minus model 2 x minus 2 whole square is equal to root 2 whole square, squaring on both sides. So here x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 2. X square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. Now dividing this with the given equation of x to the power of 5 minus 41x square plus 2012. If you divide this with this value x square minus 4x plus 2, so here you'll get the remainder. Okay, here x cube. So this is somewhat long process. So here x cube plus 4x square plus 14x plus 7 will get and the remainder will get 1998. So I hope you understood this model. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.